This new to me iMac does not fit in the cabinet where I had my previous setup. So it needs to be trimmed. So the plan is to cut this off here. I think this is aluminum. And then make a walnut base that this slides into, and this will make the entire monitor about 2 inches lower. Here goes nothing. If you want your best cut, you got to do it with the track saw. Oh, it is solid aluminum. That's kind of nice. Use that for a nice something or other. So what I've got is a piece of walnut, and it's propped up at a 15-degree angle so that the bit's gonna make a slot at 15 degrees. I could do this with a router, but it would be a little bit sketchy, and this is a pretty precise way to do it in my milling machine. I've got a 1/4 inch end mill in here, which is designed for cutting metal, but it works fine for wood. So let's get going and see what happens. So I want to add a chamfer to the bottom edge all the way around. I could do that with a router bit, but I can't find that particular bit, so we're gonna give it a go with the table saw. I think that'll look quite nice. I've got a, looks like a 3/8 round over bit installed, maybe that's 1/4 inch. And just gonna ease these edges. I think that'll work. On to a little bit of sanding, and then I think I'll finish this with some Odie's oil because it smells so good. just placed two 5/8 sheet metal screws, wood screws, into the bottom of the slot so that the base of the monitor has a spot to sit without going all the way through. And I'm not sure if I'm going to fasten that or just fasten the base in. Let's see if it fits. That's pretty decent.